Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm going to take you into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make the opti-greens 50 green drink really quick. It's quick and easy. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do it. It's very simple and it's a good way to start your morning. So let's go. Alright guys, so this is the opti-greens 50 full spectrum vitamin and mineral, some amino acids, a good herbal complex here. I'm going to kind of just show this to you through the video. You guys can pause this and just take a look at all the ingredients if you'd like. So we have the protein, which is about 2 grams. You got the green superfood complex, glycemic balance blend, phytonutrient complex, plant enzyme blend, and probiotic blend. The other thing you'll need is a cup. I love this cup, Be Mighty. You guys don't know who the company Mighty Wallet is. This is where I bought this cup from. I tried to see if I could find another cup because this one's obviously seen better days, but so far I haven't been able to find one. But chose white just to kind of show you the texture and the dexterity and color of the drink. So anyway, let's go over to the blender. All right, so we open this up. We'll go ahead and take, serving is 2 scoops. I'm going to kind of save some of this. So we'll put 2 scoops in here. Damn it, I missed. About that much. And alright. Boom. There we go, put the scooper back there. Now you're supposed to mix this with either 8 ounces of water or juice. I'm going to go with water today. Just a little bit of bottled water here. Very simple, guys. Just pour it in there and mix it. That should be about it. So we got about 8 ounces of water right there. Next we'll just whip it up like so. And depending, I got the cap off. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit to get a good mixture in there. I don't want it splattering all over my cupboard. So just like that. Boom. Done. And then we pour, just like so. This is a very simple green drink that you can mix up. Very simple, guys. Very blender friendly. I couldn't believe it when I first tried it. I thought it was some of the best stuff that I tried. Yeah. And then you can just slam this. There, good to go. Now another way to take the supplement is to just put it in a cup with just 8 ounces of water or juice. And I also wanted to show you guys this too. This is the hashtag greens30. It's a greens container, but it's a funnel container. And what you can do is you can put 2 full servings in here, or maybe 3, if you can fit it in there. And then all you have to do is just unscrew the bottom, shake it in like so, like this, which I'll show you guys here in a sec. And you're ready to just take another dose of the opti-greens. So, and plus, you're not limited to only doing like 1 serving or 2 servings a day. You can have multiple servings throughout the day if you like. I really think it's just good to pay attention to your system and to see how your body reacts to 1 to 2 to 3 doses at a time. So today I'm going to obviously do 2 doses today just to show you guys how it goes. So you just empty it like this. And you kind of got to shake it a little bit because it gets a little clumpy. And that's all you do until you got your 2 scoops in there, like so. And then all you got to do is just add water. Go ahead and add the water, just like so. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is just to stir it in there with a little bit of 8 ounces of water or so. And just go ahead and stir it up. Very simple little tutorial. 2 different ways to mix your opti-greens 50 green juice powder. And guys, this stuff tastes great. So you don't really need to add any juice. It's just got just a mixed berry flavor. You guys can add juice if it's not tasty enough. But it's a very, very simple green drink. I love it. So, here we go. And that's it. Definitely get my B vitamins in for the day. Got my green juice going on. I'm going to have some pretty good energy too. I think there's a little bit of green tea extract in it, so you get a little bit of a caffeine hit, but I don't think it's much. If anything, it's just a natural herbal energy complex, and it's just a bunch of vitamins and minerals. Anyways, guys, I'm First Form, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.